Hi, welcome to our one auto. This is 2008 Toyota Sienna. It's the sliding door, supposed to be when you open all the way. It's supposed to be locked right there. Like you hear the click, and door stay there. But this door, when you take the hand off, just little by little calm down. Because there's a lock, so when you pull this, that lock is open. Like release the lock things. I'll show you when I open that. So we need to change this lock. First, number one, first thing we need to take this off. This one, molding things off. So just this, pull it. Just holding my clip. This come out. Came out. See, those clips are holding that thing. Not will easily come out. After that, two 10mm bolts need to open, one this side and the other side. Right there, you'll see right there. Just open that. This off. There's another one. Take this off. And just slide this one off. See, this is the lock thing right there. This thing is not working anymore, so there was a little knob right here. This thing is going inside. This all get locked right there. As soon as go in here like this, see, so this knob with this one go inside right there and make it locked. That thing is not working anymore. You just take it off and flip this. This is pretty simple, only two wire right here. You see this? Just put it from here. See, like that. And just see a little group right here. After that, just put this back and just put this bolt, tie it up on the other side too. Just tie it up the bolt. If you like the video, please like and subscribe.